Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Chris Peer, and I'm the founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing strategy consulting firm for manufacturers looking to attain an ROI on their marketing spend. And this video is on pillar number 3, your marketing strategy. For the past 20 years, my team and I have worked with over 100 manufacturing companies on their marketing program, and not one of them over those years was able to provide us with an existing marketing strategy. So like they say, every successful journey begins by not only knowing where you are, but where you're going. And that's where the marketing strategy comes in. So in this chapter, we're going to guide you through the process of building a formal written marketing strategy geared for return on investment. We're going to show you the 12 critical components of a marketing strategy and how to incorporate each one into your customized plan. So if your marketing department doesn't have a formal written marketing strategy, it's time to get serious. Go to our website at g8p.co and buy our book. And while you're there, download the Grade 8 Pillars ROI-Driven Strategy Marketing Template. Thanks.